Can't block someone on your iPhone after the latest iOS update, whether the block color option is missing or tapping it does nothing in the phone app, contacts, message, FaceTime, or mail. Don't worry, here are some effective fixes and workarounds to get blocking working again. This issue has been reported mostly after iOS update on devices like iPhone SE series, iPhone 11 series, iPhone 13, and even some iPhone 17 models. So first you just have to try by blocking the number the normal way. Open the phone app and go to recents. If it still says block caller instead of unblock callers or the number isn't added to the blocked list, move on the next fix. So you just have to open up your settings, then go to privacy and security, tap tracking, and turn on allow apps to request to track. If that doesn't work for you, just go to settings again, go to apps, then phone, then blocked contacts. So you just have to tap add blocked contacts and try adding the contacts manually. So if you're still having the same problem, try refreshing your contacts database, open settings, tap your Apple account, then iCloud. So you just have to turn contacts off, then choose keep on my iPhone, then force restart your iPhone again by quickly press the volume up button once, then volume down button once. After that, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. So once your iPhone turns back on, go to settings again, then Apple account, and from iCloud, turn contacts back on. Then tap merge to sync all your contacts again. Hopefully this refresh your contacts database and fix the issue. You can also offload and reinstall the contacts app. Just go to settings, then general, and from iPhone storage, search for contacts and tap it, then choose offload apps. Wait for a few moments, then tap reinstall apps. This refreshes the app without deleting your contacts and can fix contact related glitches. If the issue is still right after update, try resetting your iPhone settings. So just go to settings, then general, and from transfer or reset iPhone, choose reset, then choose from the option reset all settings. This won't erase your photos, apps, or personal data, but it will reset system settings like Wi-Fi password, Face ID, and other preferences. Finally, if none of the solutions work, the issue is most likely an iOS software bug. So make sure your iPhone stays up to date and install the next iOS update as soon as it's available. I hope one of the solutions fix your issue. Let me know in the comments which fix worked for you. Thanks for staying tuned with Fixes 9 till then.